What is up mga paps? Welcome back. For today's video, ituturo ko na po sa inyo kung paano nga ba ma-full verify yung GCash account ninyo gamit lamang ang inyong digital national ID. So kung wala pa kayong idea kung paano nga ba makukuha or paano magkaroon ng copy ng inyong digital national ID, meron na po ang uploaded video kung saan itinuro ko po sa inyo kung paano magkaroon ng copy ng inyong digital national ID. Ilalagay ko na lang din po sa description box and comment section yung link ng video na yon para mapanood ninyo and para mag-guide kayo. So ngayon, try nga po natin i-verify itong second account ko sa GCash gamit lang yung ating digital national ID. So first thing we need to do is pupunta tayo sa profile. Then click natin tong verify now. Then scroll down lang natin. Then click natin tong verify now ulit. Then dito ilagay lang natin yung ating birthday. First is yung year, second is yung month, then yung day. Then, are you a Filipino? Click natin tong yes. Then, tap natin tong box para ma-check. Then, next. Then, ito po yung mga accepted IDs ni GCash. Pwedeng national ID, e-fill ID, or digital national ID. And so on. So, click natin tong digital national ID and click natin tong confirm. Then, ito na po yung next step. Sa inyong laptop or any device, so kailangan nyo po dito ng dalawang device. So kung may laptop kayo, mas better. Or kung wala naman, pwede naman sa another phone. So punta lang tayo sa browser. Ngayon dito sa browser, lagay lang natin as IP address yung national-id. So ito, lumabas na siya. national-id.gov.ph. So go lang natin yan. Then ito po yung lalabas. Click lang natin tong proceed. Ayan, then dito po may ilalagay tayong mga information. First po yung first name, second is yung middle name, third po yung last name, and last po is date of birth. Then dito naman sa baba ng date of birth, mababasa nyo yung national ID card number. Pero optional lang po yan. So it means pwedeng hindi na natin siya lagyan. So after natin malagay yung date of birth, click natin tong continue. Then ito yung lalabas. Take live selfie. So magte-take po tayo dito ng live selfie. Start mo lang. Then move closer lang sa camera. Hold still. Then verifying. Then after that, may lalabas na congratulations. You have been successfully verified. So click lang natin tong view national ID. Then ito na siya. So ito po yung ating i-scan. So make sure natin na malinaw din yung pag-scan natin. Then after nung front is yung back. Click mo lang tong national ID natin. Then makikita na yung likod ng ating national ID. After that, mag-stop naman tayo ng selfie. So swipe lang natin, then okay. Then next lang natin, and make sure lang na maayos lagi sa camera. Blink your eyes, then goods na. After nun mga paps, fill outan lang natin tong personal information. So first is yung ID type, automatic digital national ID na yan. Then yung ating ID number. Makikita po yan sa ating digital national ID. Then after that yung salutation. After that yung first name natin, then middle name, then last name. Then select lang natin yung ating nationality, then civil status, then contact number, then date of birth, then itong place of birth. First is yung country, second is yung province, then city. Then after that yung address in the Philippines, kung saan ka ngayon nakatira. Ganun lang ulit, province yung una, then city. After nun is yung barangay. Then after nung barangay is yung zip code ng inyong lugar. Then house number and street address if ever na alam mo. Pero kung hindi, lagay lang natin dito yung NA. Or much better kung ilalagay mo dito kung ano yung nasa digital national ID mo. Then after nung lugar is yung work details. Then dito may tanong, are you a political exposed person or relative or close associate of PIP? So click natin tong no. Then, to establish the beneficial ownership, are you the actual owner of the account? Syempre, yes natin. Then, after po natin malagay yung mga information na yon, is click natin tong next. Then, review lang natin yung information. So, kung tama naman lahat ng information, click na natin tong confirm. Then, ngayon, may nakalagay dito, we're verifying your account. Please expect an SMS within 24 hours on the status of your verification. So, need lang natin na maghintay ng 24 hours para ma-approve yung ating application. So, lagi lang po natin i-monitor yung ating GCash account. Kasi minsan, hindi na po yan naabot ng 24 hours. mapu-full verify agad yan. As long as tama naman lahat ng information and clear naman lahat ng documents na sinubmit natin. And hanggang dito na lang po ang video na ito. Update ko na lang po kayo about sa result ng ating application. See you in our next video tutorial. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.